I am very good morning. Today our main topic is JMeter scripting challenges. This question so many people will asking. Okay, especially for interview point of view. Okay, today we need to discuss one scripting challenge. What are the things I will facing in my experience? Okay, yeah. The topic is Apache JMeter scripting challenge one. One by one I will provide my videos. Okay, this is the first one. Main topic is convert GMT time zone to EST time zone. JMeter scripting challenge. Okay. Okay. This is the main topic today. Okay. The main scenario. I have one application, one business scenario. I have record that business flow. Okay. Whenever I'm recording, right, that time the especially the specific application GMT time zone is running. Okay, GMT time zone is running. I have completed the recording the script. After I will done the customization of the script means correlation, parameterization, remaining stuff it's completed. Whenever I will run the script, right, it's failed due to GMT time zone issue. The testing systems available in USA EST time zone. Now you need to convert the GMT time zone to EST time zone. This is the scenario. Okay, exactly this is the issue and this is the scenario. Okay, and one more important point, guys. Actually, I have tried to same. I means any dummy applications. It's a GMT time zone running. The type of application I'm already searched many applications, but I did not find only authorized applications. Only it's running that one. The authorized applications is not possible, right? That reason I'm not able to show that one. Okay, but one thing this is I'm already faced and I have resolved this one. Maybe future anybody have to facing that type of issue, right? Automatically this video will be helpful that one. Okay, now you understand, right, the scenario. Okay, I have recording one application that business flow, it's a GMT time zone is running. Once script recording everything is done in JMeter, okay, without any issue, but remaining stuff, customization also it's completed, correlation, parameter, page verification, remaining everything. Now the issue is whenever you need to reply the script, right, wherever GMT time zone is running, that one specifically the specific request is failed. And the same time our testing systems everything it's available only US only, EST times only available. But whenever you need to issue you need to resolve, right, only you need to convert to EST time zone, it's not good. Okay, whenever you need to run any location, example, I am the person from India, you need to try to access that computers and you need to run. Okay, means now I am in IST location. Okay, you need to run, right, EST also it failed automatically. Which locations, example, this project will working US, Singapore, Germany, India, these locations, right, who are the people is working on performance testers will access to the systems, and you need to run the test. That time automatically you need to convert it to the based on our time zone. Okay, otherwise script will be failed. Okay, this is the major scenario. But the title I will given GMT to EST, this is the correct only. But whenever you need to access in different countries, right, our location based you need to convert automatically, you need to display. Okay, that time only the issue will be resolved. Okay, this is the main scenario and main issue. Maybe now you understand the point, right? Okay, now scenario is completed, right? Solution, how you need to resolve that one. Okay, first of all, Apache JMeter script, exactly which transaction, which request is failed, right? That request, right click, add the JSR 223 preprocessor. Preprocessor means the script means a sampler execute before only. Okay, it's an important point. Sampler execute before preprocessor will be executed. Okay, before only the preprocessor sampler execute before preprocessor will executed, and you already converted the time, and sampler is automatically executed without any issues, it's running. Okay, that reason you need to add it to the JSR 223 preprocessor element and write the below code. Okay, element is JSR 223 preprocessor, and it's a code is it's a Java code only. Okay, okay, the main intention for code. Okay, first one, packages, import java.text.simpledate format. This is the date related content, and it's already packages. Who are the people is already working Java, that people you know this one, how the packages will be used. Okay, import java.util.start, this is also package. And now you can see you need to convert GMT to EST, our topic, but mainly whenever different locations, right? How we need to convert it, right? You can see this is the first step. Date, today is equal to new date. Okay, today is the main part. Okay, whenever you need to execute it, okay, whenever you execute it automatically today, right? Today means automatically whenever you executed that time, that date only will convert it. That is the main intention. Okay, date today is equal to new date. Okay, the bracket means it's a, you will created the objects, that one. After simple date format, okay, its short name SDF equal to new simple date format. The format year month date t, it's a universal level, right? You will give the t, and hour minute seconds dot triple s, it's a commonly available. Okay, GMT time zones. GMT time zone means it's running to the our GMT time zone location, year month date and hour minute seconds only it's running. Now that one GMT format, now you need to convert it to same EST, that time only the script is pass. Okay, okay, now you given the format, right? Now you can go to time zone. Okay, very important this one. Time zone short name tz1, you can give the unique key. Time zone tz1 is equal to time zone dot get default. Okay, this object get default, right? Default means whatever date today it's available, that one will be captured. Okay, now you need to store to the object where you need to store it. You can print it to the output log.info. In JMeter, log.info, it's a function. You need to display any outputs. Log.info tz1 time zone 1 dot get id. Get id means this name, this date format, everything will be coming to this location first. After string local time zone. Local time zone means current. Example, I am running from IST, right? This is the local time zone. Example, running to US, US is the local time. Germany, Germany is the local time zone. String local time zone is equal to SDF means simple date format. Simple date format dot format today. Today means today date, year month date and hour minute seconds today will be captured. And output log.info local time zone is double quotation plus local time zone, right? Whatever local time zone you need to come, this one plus local time zone, right? You can see in output what you need to print in local time zone is local time zone what is available, our year month date and hour minute second, that one will be printed in output. Okay, after time zone, it's a second one. There is a two, it's available. One is GMT, second one local time zone. Local time zone means today time zone, otherwise simple name GMT to local time zone. Okay, after time zone tz2 short name time zone tz2 another name is equal time zone dot get time zone GMT. Okay, now it's captured GMT. Log.info tz2 dot tz means time zone 2 dot get id, time zone will be captured this location. Now simple date format dot set time zone tz2, tz2 means GMT. Okay, this is the very important one. String GMT time zone is equal to simple date format SDF dot format today means GMT time zone you need to convert it to the today date. Today date means it's a local time zone will be converted. Okay, log.info GMT time zone is plus GMT time zone will be given, right? It's the local time zone only, you need to print it to the GMT time zone. And finally today date means month, date, year, and hour, minute, seconds will convert it to GMT time zone, right? It's a name only will given GMT time zone. Okay, now we need to convert it to this place where you need to store it, right? You will give it to the where's dot put. Put means you need to store somewhere. In JMeter, where's is the variables. Where's dot put, you will open to the bracket and within the dt1 date time. dt1 means it's a one is a unique dt1 means dt means date time. The local time zone, whenever you need to convert at GMT to local time zone, that one will be stored to the dt1 variable will be stored and given the name GMT time zone. Okay, now everything, our format GMT to local time zone will be converted, right? The local time zone everything will be saved to the dt1. It's done. Okay, now the main question. Now what is the main question, right? You can see guys, this is the very important. You already done this stuff everything, but you write in the code everything will be done, right? Now this is the code, exactly Java code only. Okay, this code whenever you completed, okay, now everything will be stored to the dt1. Okay, now dt1 you need to correlate. In JMeter everybody you know, right? Dollar open close flower brackets within the give the name dt1 you need to give and correlate. Okay, click on the failed request. Okay, wherever, example, click on the failed request wherever showing the failed GMT time zone example. Okay, actually in my scenario, once everything will be done, right, I will go to the wherever the request is failed in GMT time zone, the error is showing time zone is not matching. This is the error will become, and this is the time. Just example I am showing. This is not exact one. Just example only. This is the GMT time zone. It's showing. Okay, error. The specific request place. What I need to do, right? You can see this is the exactly where wherever the GMT time zone is running. I am given to the within the dollar open close the flower brackets and you can give the date time 1 and you need to correlate this one. Okay, you need to correlate this one. Whenever you correlated, right, the issue will be automatically resolved. The reason, this is the exactly you facing issue. GMT time zone is running. Whenever you write this all the code converted to GMT to local time zone and you can give that name, right, automatically this code will executed in the specific request place before executing sampler, and automatically where which location which country you were running, right, automatically it's converted, right? There is no any issue, the script is successfully passed. Okay, and the last one, when you correlate the time zone values and pass it to the within the dollar open close dt1, that time will convert at GMT to EST means local time zone. Okay, the issue will be resolved. This is the way I have resolved this issue. Okay, this is the generally I am explaining guys, but whenever, okay, whenever enter you're asking what are the scripting challenges you faced in your experience, maybe 5 to 6 or 7 8 years experience, 10 years experience also. Okay, the question is very simply you need to ask. Okay, what are the scripting challenges you faced is a very small sentence you will ask, but you need to explore and explain step by step. First of all, what type of issue you're facing. First of all, what is the scenario? In that scenario, what are the issue you're facing? Okay, what are the issue you're facing, you need to explain very slowly. That is very important. Most of the people whenever interview asking immediately will be start, but the people is not understanding what is exactly asking. Okay, and don't tell any stories guys, means everybody you know right, nowadays. Okay, whenever you need to explain this step by step, right, the people also will understand exactly, the candidate will do work. You can tell some stories, right, anybody never listen. Okay, first of all you need to explain to the what is the business flow. After, what is the scenario based, which tool you are using to record the script, and that place what is it's available. Example, now GMT time zone is running, right? And your script recording after running the correlation remaining stuff everything, whenever reply, right, that time fail, what is the issue for failing? Okay, first that is the general introduction you can give the scenario part. After, how we need to resolve that one. Okay, how we need to resolve that one, you need to explain step by step the procedure. And you have a little bit knowledge about the Java, right? You can explain to the in Java code also what type of packages you are loading, and how to convert it to the simple date format method, and the GMT to EST or GMT to local time zone, how you converted, and where you need to store that converting storing all the objects. You can use it to the where start put function, and datetime one you need to give in, and this one where you need to pass it, and how you need to resolve that issue finally. Okay, these are all the steps. You need to explain that one. Okay, you need to practice it, okay, your own self. And whenever you will ask, right, you can explain that one step by step. Automatically the candidate, the interviewer also will understand. Okay, the candidate is already working, this is the issue. On the same time, this is the original issue, guys, I am already faced, and I'm resolving this issue. Example, I'm already told I am not able to reproduce the exactly issue. I did not find example, I will show you today. Okay, example, this is the one of the general script. Okay, this is the one of the general script. I have facing one issue. Example, this is the place I have faced. Okay, something, this is the request, this is the transaction, and this is the request I have faced GMT time zone. This place it's available. Example, web tools, right? Now this place it's available, GMT time zone numbers available, year, month, date, hour, minute, seconds is available, it's failed. Okay, whenever you facing this issue, right, that place just you need to right click, go to add, go to preprocessors, add the JSR 2023 preprocessor. Okay, you need to add this one. I am already added, you can see JSR 2023 preprocessor. Okay, no need to do anything, just you can select it to the language Java. Okay, it's available bean shell engine, but Java you need to select, and you can give the your entire code. This is the original code, guys. I'm not doing anything wrong. Whenever I face this issue and resolve, right, after I noted everything, means something future will be useful purpose. Okay, whenever you have real-time scenario also, you're facing same issue, right, same code only you can apply, it's nothing will be changed, just you can copy and paste also, it's not a problem. Okay, otherwise just exactly you can type it. Whenever you type it, right, there is a some letters. Example, you can see string, right? String is S is a capital, T is a T capital, time zone point of view. Okay, date is a D capital, import I is a this type of letters is available, right? That letters you need to carefully you can type same way. Okay, except that one, there's nothing will be changed. And whenever you pass it, right, the DT1, where you need to pass it. Example, you can go to, yeah, you can see now this is the name DT1, right? DT1 will be given. Whenever example this place, right, example only, this place user session available, this place time zone names available, time zone names available, and this place time zone is available. This place you can give the within the dollar open and close the bracket, you can give the DT1. That time whatever you converted, right, GMT to local time zone, that one will be passed to this location, and automatically the time zone will be converted whenever you're running the location based, and the script is passed. Okay, this is the way exactly the issue will be resolved, guys. Okay, this is the exact one only. Maybe in your future you will face anything issue, right, you can use this code, exactly it's working. Okay, Yeah, it's almost completed today topic. Okay, it's a very small topic only, but very useful. And one more important point, this type of issues you need to resolving not only this only one method. Okay, there are so many methods available, so many scripting languages available, but whatever I am able to solve, that one only I am showing. Okay, you have any other methods, please comment me. Okay, that one also I will try to create the videos. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. And one last important information. Okay, interview point of view, please you need to explain step by step. Okay, interviewer must and should you need to understand what you are saying. Okay, that reason slowly how much time will be took, that is not a matter. Okay, you need to explain slowly to the interviewer. Interviewer also will understand. Okay, means just one small one question you explain very properly also, right? That person impression is good. Okay, that reason one by one slowly you can explain. Okay, you can try to explain the code also, there is not a matter. Okay, you can explain the code also, the person he have some little bit knowledge about code, right? Yeah, he will understand. It's not understanding also not a problem, but main matter will be understand. No problem. That is the first thing. Okay, and some scenarios means you are a telephonic interview, yeah, it's done. Nowadays most of the time teams related interviews, right? Video calling based. Okay, maybe some peoples who means a highly experienced peoples, right? That peoples will directly ask the question to you. Okay, please write some code and you can explain what you written. This is very important point. Example, how the import Java text dot simple date format will be work in Java packages. What is the use this one? Import java.util.star. This package how it work. Each and everything there is background. There is a lot of things available. Okay, you need to learn everything. I'm creating. It's a. I'm also. I do not. I do not have time. I'm creating fastly one video. Right. You need to learn. Okay, whenever you the candidate who is the interviewer is a high experienced, he have a knowledge, right? That time he will directly ask you need to write the code and you can show them. Okay, you can write and show and you can explain each and every package how you need to work to the Java to JMeter 2. Okay, and one more important thing. Example, he will ask 10 or 20 questions. Okay, you will give an answer. The selecting process different. Means something he will ask you, something you told, and the candidate based on what you told, you will select it. But whenever you write any code, it's a very important guys. I'm many companies I'm seeing and interviews also. Whenever you need to example, this scripting challenge will ask, right? You need to explain step by step starting to ending, and the person anything will ask, right? You that time immediately you can start writing to the entire code, and you can explain to the each and every package how we need to work. Okay, the interviewer is immediately impressed and you will most of the time will be selected. Means yeah, this is most of the time will be happening. I'm seeing 10 to 12 years experienced people also who are the performance testers. Means programming or scripting or queries point of view, you don't have that much knowledge. Okay, that reason you need to learn something technology point of view, you are an expert and master level. Okay, just one code only, you are immediately you can select it. Okay, that reason I will explain. Okay, that's all guys, this video. Most of the time I'm already covered this one. I will one by one I will provide my videos scripting challenges. Okay, and one important point, you like this video, please subscribe my channel and I will provide the more videos on same. And especially this video point of view, you have any doubts anything, please comment me. I will resolve my best I will given. And another thing, you have any already something scripting challenges you faced in your project, right? Please comment me based on exactly what is the scenario and how you need to resolve. You don't know resolution, you have a issue, right? Please comment that issue. Okay, I will try to resolve and creating the another video and post it everyone. Okay, somebody will help you. Yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect to my next video. Thanks everyone, bye.